Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this easy, delicious, fat burning green juice recipe. It's really simple and easy to make. So let's get started. First, we'll be needing a cucumber. Please make sure you wash the cucumber before you use it. We are using half of the cucumber. This easy, delicious, fat burning green juice comes with a lot of benefits. This green juice recipe aids in weight loss, reduces cholesterol, controls blood pressure. This green juice recipe is also used to promote digestion. The best time to take this green juice recipe is early in the morning, 20 minutes before breakfast. Next, we'll be needing a handful of spinach. Please make sure you watch the spinach before you blend. Ginger. A thumb of turmeric. I'll be cutting the ginger into little bits to make it easy to blend. I will also cut the turmeric into little bits to make it easy to blend. Place all the ingredients into the blender. Spinach, cucumber, turmeric, and ginger. Up next, 2 dates to sweeten the juice. Add a glass of water. And now, blend them all up. This juice is so green and delicious and very easy to make. You can sieve the juice, which is optional. Now my green juice is ready. This easy, delicious green breakfast drink is healthy and nutritious. It aids in weight loss, reduces cholesterol. It also helps control blood pressure. Wow! Look at how colorful and green it is. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.